I am about to test this theory to see if in this local Safeway there is a Pokemon vending machine. So let's go. Let's see. With the magic of editing, we made it home with our 3 packs that we bought from the vending machine. On top of that, I'm adding 2 more packs that I had lying around. Let's see if we can make this a little long.
What did he say?
Alright, here, Twilight Masquerade. Here we go. Oh, and I'm looking for the Greninja for Twilight Masquerade and the Squirtle from Stellar Crown. Leaf Energy, Abra, Skarmory, Applin, Snorunt, Bug Catching Set, Aggron, Clefable, Poltergeist, Timber, and Iron Leaves.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, last pack of Twilight Masquerade. For now. That one's mine. Steel. Eevee. Phantom. Slugmabows. Swirlix. Jamming Tower. Glaceon. Diplin. Thwacky. Snorunt. And a Hassle. It's a hit. I'll take that.
I guess I'll take it. Yeah.
3 packs of Stellar Crown from my local Pokemon vending machine. Let's go. Okay, let's go. For me, Psychic, Applin, Brawler, Wooloo, Salandit, Drifblim, Payapa Berry, Reshiram, Drifblim, Zeraora, no Squirtle, Caracosta. It's a turtle, not the turtle I want. Second to last pack. 2 more chances for a Squirtle. For me, Fist Energy, Fighting Energy, Lokix, Cyclizar, Charcadet, Metachamp with thick legs, Salazzle, Lantern, Slowking, Weavard, Bulbasaur. Okay, I mean, it was my second chase. Okay. Let's go. And a Buffalant. Hell yeah.
Worth it. Totally worth it.
Okay, last pack magic. Okay, let's see if we can pull that Squirtle. Okay, I'll give this one to you. I'll give them this one.
You're welcome.
Fire Energy. Chinchou. Yamask. Bombardier. Rhyhorn, Slow, Oakberry, Abominable, Min. Come on. Electabuzz. And Rhyperior. Okay.
Son of a...
Got the second chase of the Stellar Crown chase.
English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
I got the second chase of Stellar Crown, so I'm satisfied. And Twilight Masquerade came with a hit, so I did okay. I think I did good for 5 packs. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.